Maybe like 4 hours.
Again. When I watched that guy yelling at the cat, I'm like, oh my god, that's so mean.
Stupid people that don't even live at your house playing with your cat.
Shut up. Man, there's so many cats around here. There's one right there.
You should have to push one down a cliff. Too many of them.
But yeah, Stuart, you should start watching Ariaka 7.
Yeah, think about it.
It's Cookie Handsome Princess.
Doesn't zoom in or out on video.
She's in a box.
You're in a box. Shut up.
Monkey, getting crazy hyped. Crack. Bye, Cookie. Hi, Callie.
Kelly's like, yeah, F that.
She'll start playing with it if you put it in front of her face. Continue, and she'll get really mad.
The tree.